eti mu a motwa ne ho ahia na mudi nkwase asem no muja gyimi no mo boda bana sare na hamu Maya den kete asa mo ankasa mo ye mo say mo amaban no. Are you guys crazy? What is wrong with you?
For Gyiminsɛm TV GH, mesra or like a comment, a subscribing, and for notification so turning on so that anytime you post a video, it is a way I will start make a be.
Eti mu a motwa ne ho ahia na mudi nkwase asem no muja gyimi no mo boda bana sare na hamu Maya den kete asa mo ankasa mo ye mo say mo amaban no. Are you guys crazy? What is wrong with you? Yay! Why? Ah, yeah, asa mo tete na Gyimisa ya ka mo pese mete. The reason is say obi be kaso kato kaso be amaban no 1 year me 1 year aso. Ye kwa no ye ntra ho na aban we so nsei no me nye because aban we eni me image nanam meka biom presenter bia ni asasi so a oye adwuma ma aban we che me even NDC presenters no kura no muhum say yeah kewo we are champion hey moi etiyen na ho na sa we minister we DCU we MP we say aban we yenye ye be you to abonten tem look the way amu ye no as obi a president di enti Gyimisa ma bobo damana adwuma no wo ho esesa mo yo no obi a ye na den so be obi a president di MPs no be align say ma bna be di president na why minister Abraham bedia why DC we bedia no why say enti we nam nwuram we so nam nwuram we nam nwuram ho so so na wo ho ma boda mana me meka den tema kire wo ha wo pata me wo pape masem me mfa ho but aban we so de ye ma ne say aban we ye ma ne say o ye ntena ho enti mu a mo na mase nketenkete ye hu mu nyina mo sheda ye ne ma nketenkete mu a mo gigi sika wa MPP for ho no ye di mu nyina hotel bi voter regi mo koye meeting no ma je kakra hotel bi wo sunyane e wo kwan ho uru sunyane kuroma wo nsabonkum mimbo bia facility din na ma koshem na ma meeting na ma je kakra. Why are you deciding say you will make the vice president unpopular? Why? And this is for my bodamana. My bodamana. Oh, JDM no pokwajibai. Opa ye no popular. Opa man ye no popular. Or a vice president. Or a vice president too. Who ye the day she is the first female vice president of the Republic of Ghana. It is a opa ye non popular. We you one you we vice if you are president now. Or the vice president of this republic. Are you guys crazy? About a month or two ago, I said say we must ukuje to afidie mwa. Ene Sam George afidie. Say we must Haruna ka ho. We must Haruna ka ho. Ena enkofo bi so abomode atena se obi e ho pa ahihye afidie ama Julius Debra. Eti wo mo tesa ama Julius atom say tom. Ya kwa kodi nkruma first. Galam say your problem e da ho. MPP ntimi ansolve aban we so ntimi solve ye. Ye ka no kwancho galam say na aban we or twene to ase or panto. Ntimi. And also, and professor that kosum amaboa afidie say yesuma amabu efidie ba na tom na president ayidadi ne de oba bi aba ebe ye NDC for na amaboda mana mo party for no from ho su say come de won mo party for they are crying oh. I am coming from Western and Central region. I know what I'm telling you.
Chema Bronye. Ohia TV. That is one of the things we were just using to entertain ourselves on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Today, for race, I didn't want to come live, so I just have to remember that Honorable Bronye is not there. The 235% ECG tariff. That is your enemy, Mr. President. 280% Ghana Water is proposing. That is your enemy. Those are the things you should be worried about, and not those of us who are online here. All we can do is to talk. Those of us who are here, we can only talk and wait for 2028 December. That is all we can do. Me, I don't even have the courage to go and stand in front of the presidency and even say anything there. This is all we can do. Sit behind our microphone and keep championing the cause of the New Patriotic Party. The good news according to the New Patriotic Party. The good news according to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. That's the gospel. That's our gospel. That's all we can do. That notwithstanding, no, we are still praying for you that you will be able to stay alive and see your mandate through. Because you are the president of the republic. So please leave us alone and concentrate on the job Ghanaians have given you. Over 13,000 Ghanaians have run away to Ivory Coast. You are hearing several reports there. And if you have come across refugees before, you know that it is not a good situation to find yourself in. People end up being raped. People end up being murdered. People end up dying of hunger and all. This is not a good place to find yourself. So, Mr. President, please concentrate on those things that matter and allow us to enjoy social media. Honorable Kujito Ablakwa has been commenting also about the Israeli bombing of a residence in the capital of Qatar, Doha. When I saw the news release this morning, let me see if I still have it here. When I saw the news this morning, I was like, what at all is the issue with these people? Oh, I'm not having my lenses here, so I think I can't. Let me see if I can read it. I'm not wearing my lenses. Therefore, I can't read it because I'm not putting on my lens. But basically, Honorable Kujeto Ablakwa has the audacity as the top diplomat of this nation, our foreign minister, to issue a statement condemning Israel. Honorable Kujito Ablakwa, he's issuing a statement condemning Israel for going ahead to bomb that building in Qatar. Meanwhile, no, Honorable Weana, yes, Sumanu say, go to UN and go and vote against LGBTQ. Oko and oko abstaining. Yes, Sumanu say, call UN, a kamano, plane, business class, and everything that it comes with, comfort, no, hotel accommodation, and all the rest. Yetua manu we say onkonoko to aba etia LGBTQ trumu and the others no oko e no say they mean to be I'm abstaining, and you are abstaining no oko ye den and you cry there till today we have not heard of it. But bomb Israel for echo 2 year no e fa ho now who's Israel for Now who's Israel for? Hey, Israel for your family diagrosa o okujeto. Israel for munye, they are not our mate. Mind your business. Let's mind our business. Okujeto yasumao. Nobody has asked you to go and put your mouth into whatever Israel is doing. US Crampon, US for Omurilis. They are statement that they made after Israel took that step. They did not condemn. A whole Donald Trump did not condemn. Now, Okuje to many why every voter region our constituency, a North Town, Misumi a Row Central. You that have the mouth and the pen and the will to type and condemn Israel, putting all of us into trouble. And sana US for these tariffs and I'm going to say, oh, Musum US nibi, bet omubi, any. I feel Israel for. Israel is one of our strategic partners when it comes to agriculture. I know this because I have friends. I have friends who have gone to Israel to go and learn agricultural engineering. Some of the things they are able to do in Israel, it will amaze you. They are able to trap air and get water out of it. And we are learning. Okujeto is now condemning Israel. Now if I'm home, kata for cry or makotu bomb no mukrum no. They are not talking much. They are not talking much. Okujeto show unsu ye. Ye paucho. Ejuma no ntimi nya resign. Baby we sharp tite. Ejuma no ntimi nya resign. Ye paucho. Yen person ko ka sem bia na obi ka say akase Okujeto tuntum dodo enti embeche no. Asa akase Okujeto oni 3 nwi bia woni 3 so koye hair transplant enti ye arrest no. Me person make us asem. Enti juma no hwe a untimi nya resign. Eno ano no. En fire voter for ko sha asem mo. En fire voter for ko sha asem mo. Ye paucho pa honorable. Ade na ye voter for ye my small position pair na fe de I say be na person ye say no. Sana Minister of Tourism so edi ways on ko kasa ade no ho Accra e na be ya asem oba ke oba ne oba fin oba fuin. Voter minister see. Yeah, my small positions, mean Crawford. Am I a small position? No wonder say there, obi bia or misbehavior gonna be a see or a voter ni. We are misbehaving too much. Ono boku to condemn Israel. Now when you say na Israel visa. They say we are we cry me koti I see or in Japan meba. Or in Japan so no or your voter ni. And you cannot blame these people.
Beg you, right?
You cannot blame them. Because our people, our Voltarian brothers and sisters ahead of us are misbehaving too much. Okujeto, please, as quickly as possible. Please, Ejako Abnani na esi voteni. I mean, me say, Honorable Okujeto, as quickly as possible, please go back to your Facebook. I realize that this very release, it has been deleted from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Oma deleted from platform so. Oma deleted from a platform so. I don't know if as at now it's still on the personal page of Okujeto. But you to go and delete it. In Paucho finding Guasiano ko delete it. It was for Maminti Muka. Honorable Jojo, good evening. 5 minutes. So are you ready?
Let other speakers speak so that I will listen to them.
No problem.
If I
all
can.
Right. Yeah, or therefore 5 minutes.
Yes. Mama Shasim Flook to Abrako Adianos. Yet Ghana na Srim Tokwesi ho. Yenti say wa ba be condemn me bia and I say wa be make statement bia ana wa make bi.
There be.
Ebia wa make bi na menti.
There be. I've watched his page, nothing of the sort.
Yeah, and then the enye ntokwa na ye to bom ku obi anase ri to bo obi enye wu kro na ye kurom ntokwa si ye kurom northern region ama ye wonipa ye 48,000 ana ye mispraised as say omo asan twa U10 say omo emu 15,000 asan back by any the ye ministers in intimi kan ho hwe but obi country so
ka ben amofru ye dey buy
nana min de obi sama min timi nkyerɛ ayi but the ministers ɛwɔ ano a yɛde ka amanfo krosu nsɛm ba yɛn kasa yɛ deɛ na yɛ srɛ pro no deɛ yɛ ntimi nho ba yɛ amanfo kro deɛ so wɔn edu ba bi a yɛ kasa yɛ nto abapa yɛ si daabi ababɔne no yɛ so mfaso bia ne yɛdi no because Ghana you know ma for na for Ghana mo the question na mun biti no ma to ngai but nyendi okutu se on kan wasem but Israel for mo wi mo di bi to na kun kwa ye no kwa on
therefore network no therefore I just who you network no therefore can you hear
no yeah can you
okay go ahead
what do you mean okay my phone from here there
but it's okay
yeah me want to was
no problem yes
I brought make just a comment about issue yeah what you know I feel one make effort say
abroche Sam George wo ana Sam George abroche nzo na because network no there
no but network na
and you waste
okay what the moving kasa na me
yeah do me that say yo the captain good evening captain bajawo ho okay captain who are Orimpon good evening captain ho yeah Orimpon
boys or about the among kasa
anawaba captain ho
voice me no be mpon na ba first
I say me pikin mu nyina bo mana
I mean what answer na buy you my yeah
captain ho
we fe na aluta
yo 5 minutes captain enko
Cheche obi animle.
eje oso
Nyema bi wo ho no mo a. This time around. I say, yes so nkofo bi so. I was gonna check. And this the time I was able to send my night to an end. At the time I can Russia Ukraine war. They buy. They no more kind.
I'm say Russia no ewa baby amu no ewa nti enja nka
The Qatar. Ya to bom ko Qatar. Ghana e fa ho be. Assemble. Even US crown pum. Continue kan iju asem. Misa say okura o security clarity say okura so ya for kwai say. Yemfa weapons nka ho ammunition say beko tokwa no eno no nka ho. Wo security yes say. And things like this, if you are na yebubi no enye de say Ghana nkosa situation mu bet eye remember 2028 about when be for am a doctor because pede ko so Ghana and they abo we tuo ha o chine akoku we wa ha 8 solid years ehun sa ehun sa okay yewo they might be hokwan say they were chief justice of the northern region. He was president of the northern region. a one piece northern region. And they almost to wash the treat you if you could you pay near Kunu.
Upa says Speaker of Parliament and I say Speaker now. Speaker of Parliament.
Yeah, Aban, yeah. Speaker, yeah. I mean now, as when they couldn't pay free Woboku. But Obitina Kumasi, a treat you before a betchino. The Bitty Boku Kunipa. Obeti Boku Kunipa. Unti Omono Emlano and like Antichro Moana. Emlano, Oti Boku de Okunipa, a chew and yana. Police in Oboko on Tutu, near two police need you. Former IGP time. Then you was Foku, Captain Mahama, one soldier, ready see it. Yet Yomina Domina Quafiasi. A who IGP car. Who I speak at Mokupa to a 2 room. Then I say, Chairman, I brought you back. Trona will try and know the The Otake IGPR. A clue so the what attacking the president of Ghana. To be a you at it.
I didn't mean
Thank you for it. Thank you for it. My question was say, ever found more police, or because my to Juma on no idea if you can hold was on. Don't close to say, I can't go for him. Like a democratic governance, and I say a military rule. I'm on my own. Boys, oh my own, say a soldier by the you move in home quite fast with my boy who by saying a baby bar because ABS out of my record but and maybe one by a ball who buy. Yes. Yeah, Cassavia be born in Raganas will be here on Otihonomo. ABI is a bit way. Be Piabot now, by sharing this in me. One my boss with Timu Pine. A co police station, Uncle Baby, the chairman member, the secretary member, the way Uncle Baby. And I am really a soldier by my own, who say a military rule and the amusement of my one which shall me a miss you.
Right.
Who shall me a miss you? Yes, I asked him a question in Pemwachi and almost 2 abone bar and almost 2 abone bar. Oh, name a question now, the boys, the crab back who we are seeing. Name a question now, Yammy Hoquine on the air. Yammy Hoquine. We have some leaders in our party. I wasn't car. National chairman, yes, almost suspended some for now because ultimately leader our brother can anyhow.
Yo, everybody knows so. Why?
Oh, bro, because the way same way when I said, "Oh, can I ever know to baby?"
Yo, me that say.
Yeah,
me that say. Yo,
you couldn't gonna for. You talk a quick salad, but Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire. You mock refugees, oh, Cote d'Ivoire, and so you're in an engaging for show or Ghana.
Yo, Martin, Mr. Hobium, Captain, thank you. All right, Oripon, good evening. 5 minutes, young boy.
Oh, anyway, my brother be things. Boys, a name a coastal chrome hano, very sad. Okay, name a coastal chrome and very sad. The insecurity, a coastal chrome and very sad. Oh, yes. Sir, Sampa and Ipa and nine. You to air Gyiminsɛm. Near Kumama and Ne Cry Aid to Krumwa. Nasa Oman Penine air John Dramani Mahama. Obetia a release statement at the Akko Kata. Na me bisa a day in Sawonsoni Yedi. Se Krum Ko Gonja and Tokwesi ho in Nipe Jane. From January to September, Nipa Ewu Bokono. Boys, mean Kakrano. Ewu baby or my bush forward. A be who baby or mote, yet. Yera John Mahama, Gonja Hene.
On to be a Ghana for the most point here. The analysis now boys name ano. Say IGBT me kobo ko. Eko ko jina no bi tutu e de boni kemo a. Ono IGBT no maye police mo ana say security because o musuro. Same IGBT and they could for do year about me. It for do a dance tell kufa me. Akwaya ne won tanten te dear kufa atem. When you do a chihene atem and can't so obetwa otu for say to tuti. Opa ye compare diamond name. On my any time, buying Dia or Diama vice president or how do you could sir a branch of Jimmy in your command security. On my Supreme Court noir a boy and who brano, share a branch say, Yen Jano, not a boy at the atono son of an Hong Kong Cody. The ban is saying, and you Timothy Abronye near the Nico Tumwa, ya can't say, you're finding Cotum Friday. Na ye ba Friday I can say judge ama into them up to weekend you know. What kind of a government is this? Abaning who baby or the crab share. And then even a voice once I'm speaking to you now. The worst students net exams no. Most of them has issues. This government has never even come